Welcome to this video on frequently asked questions about welding safety tips. Whether you're a professional welder or just getting started, safety should always come first. In this video, we'll address common questions and concerns about staying safe while welding, covering protective gear, best practices, and important precautions to help you work confidently and avoid accidents. Let's dive in. What are the protection and safety of welding? To protect your neck, put on long-sleeve shirts with collars and button cuffs. Light reflection is impeded by dark hues. Closure of shirt pockets should be taped to prevent sparks or hot metal from getting inside or covered with flaps. Cuffs on the pants legs must not show, and they must cover the tops of the boots. What is the main tool for welding? The welding machine, which is the main instrument a welder uses to fuse materials, is the most crucial tool in their toolkit. These devices, also referred to as welding guns and welders, supply the energy and components needed to produce the heat necessary to melt materials. Which gas is used in welding? Acetylene and oxygen is the right response. Acetylene and oxygen are the gases used in welding. One of the most used types of welding is oxyacetylene welding. The flame created by the mixture of gases melts the metal faces of the workpieces to be joined, causing them to flow together in oxyacetylene welding. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.